Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Alejandro from Trackdesk, and today we're going to walk through something that I think is one of the most useful and interesting things we have in the platform right now, the MCP connection. Now, this is not new. It's been available for a while, but I keep meeting customers who either miss the announcement or not using it to its full potential. So this video is for you, a proper walkthrough of what it is, how to set it up, and most importantly, the use cases that actually make a difference in your day-to-day life. In the next few minutes, we'll cover 4 things: what MCP actually is, how to connect it to your Trackdesk account, the use cases that I think are the coolest, and how you can start playing with this today. Let's jump in. So what is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's an open standard originally introduced by Anthropic, the people behind Claude, and it's been adopted across pretty much every major AI tool. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Lovable, and many others. The simplest way how to explain it is to think of MCP as a USB-C port. Before USB-C existed, every device had its own weird cable, but with USB-C you plug anything into it, and MCP does the same for AI assistants. It lets them plug into your tools and your data, and in a standard way. So instead of exporting CSV from Trackdesk, opening a spreadsheet, building a pivot table here and there, and then asking ChatGPT to help you make sense of it, you just connect Trackdesk once, and from then on, your AI assistant can read your affiliate data, your conversions, your payouts, your offers in real time. You ask a question, it goes and gets the answer directly from your Trackdesk account. That's the magic part. Now let's see how to actually set it up. It's surprisingly quick, so let's jump in to your Trackdesk account and see exactly where to find this. Here on your dashboard, you go to the section called Integrations. And first of all, you can see here the classical tracking integrations, and you see here Trackdesk MCP server. Once you click on it, it will ask you to choose an offer just to make sure that your platform is already integrated. You see the instructions, and you will be able to get your MCP endpoint or the JavaScript to connect it. Additionally, you will need to configure your API key. So for that, you need to generate a personal token. And for that, you can click on this link and you can click here in Generate New Token. Now just copy this MCP endpoint that you have here. Let's save this other part in case you need it for later. But otherwise, it's the same exact flow for any tool that you would like to connect, like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, or anything else that supports MCP. You just paste the URL on the chat and you ask the AI to connect and confirm the permissions, and now it's connected. The last step is to test it. Type something simple like "Who are my best affiliates?" and then the AI will pull the data from your Trackdesk account and give you whatever answer you're looking for. That's the whole setup under 3 minutes if you're moving slowly, and the fun part begins after that, because once the connection is live, there is a lot of stuff you can do that was just not possible before. Okay, let me share 5 use cases that I find generally exciting. These are the ones to start with, and the first use case is to ask anything in plain English or your native language. This is the most basic one, but also very, very powerful. Ask any question in normal language, something like show me my top 10 affiliates by conversion rate over the last 30 days, and draft personalized thank you message to each of them with their specific numbers. In about 20 seconds, you get the ranked list plus ready to send messages, each with the affiliates' actual numbers. What used to be 30 minutes of clicking, filtering, exporting, writing is now only 30 seconds. Use case number 2, build your own custom dashboard with no code. Now this is where it gets really cool, because you can build your own custom dashboard in an app like Lovable and design it exactly the way you want it. The widgets you care about in the order you care about them, with the visualization that makes sense for your program. And every single number on the page is live data pulled from your Trackdesk account in real time through the MCP connection. No exports, no manual refresh. If a conversion is happening right now, it shows up there. The point is, you're not longer stuck with the reports your tool decided to give you, you build the view that you actually need. The third use case is to connect everything together, and here's something a lot of people are missing. MCP is not just about Trackdesk with your AI, it works across all your tools. So you can connect Trackdesk and HubSpot and Slack and your Google Sheets all at the same time to the same AI assistant. Which means you can say something like, every Monday compare my top affiliate revenue versus my total Stripe revenue per region. Find any region where affiliates are underperforming by more than 20% and post a summary to my Slack channel. That's not a feature included in any platform, but you can actually build it. And that's a workflow you describe in one sentence with a prompt. The fourth use case is affiliate health scoring and churn prediction. And this is one I love because it actually keeps your program healthy. You can ask your AI to score every affiliate from 1 to 10 based on their performance trend, engagement, recency, and risk of going dormant. And then proactively flag the ones at risk. Before they actually leave your program, you can take some action. Same with business and keeping your customers. In affiliate marketing, we say that keeping your affiliates is always cheaper than finding new ones. This is how you do that systematically and with an automation. The use case number 5 is to build a fraud sentinel or some sort of like AI protection working 24/7 for you, and this is the one that you can set up to monitor your traffic quality and conversion data from unusual patterns. A sudden spike in clicks from one IP range, conversion rates that don't match the historical baseline, weird timing patterns, your AI can flag this in real time and message you in Slack for that. You basically have a fraud analyst working for you every minute of every day for free, or well, with your subscription. So that's MCP for Trackdesk and for you. The honest summary is this: your affiliate data has always been valuable, but now it's also accessible in a way that any modern AI tool can use. You ask questions, you get answers. You build dashboards, you get the dashboards. You set up agents, you get the agents and you can use them. If you're already a Trackdesk customer, go into integrations and turn this on today. It takes only 3 minutes and you can start playing with it immediately. If you're not a customer yet, this is honestly a great moment to start. Go to trackdesk.com, open a free account where you can start integrating, and then our team will help you with the setup and next steps so you can start with your subscription and tracking your affiliate program. Remember that our team is ready to help all the time. We're around. You can contact us via chat or go to request a demo section. Lastly, I'd love to see what you build with this. Send us a screenshot, drop us a message, chat with us, and let us know what you build in this connection between AI and Trackdesk. Thanks a lot for staying with me until the end of this video. Enjoy the rest of your day and well, see you on the next one. Bye bye.